Equinova boys team against the Seagulls girls team.
Go, Mika!
Okay, stand down, Equinova. Hey, you're trying to get a head start on us already, look at that. I like it.
Take your mark.
Right, now where we go? So Seagulls are going to win this girls ladder, Equinova are going to win the boys ladder. Thanks Trevor, travel safe, stay high to all my guys up there.
Next year.
Lekker, thanks Trevor. Alright, so barring a disqualification, Seagulls girls will win this ladder, but Equinova will win the last event of the day. Because the men's event is the last event of the day, so they'll have the last say of the gala. Gallagher, you better go faster, eh? So once again, a big thank you to all those timekeepers, officials, everybody that's made this trial possible over the last 4 days. We've had some tough times here. The weather's changed 3-4 times in one day. It hasn't been easy, but a big thank you to everybody. Don't forget, officials and timekeepers.